In war, the problems you face on the ground have to be fought from everywhere, including, in this case, 1,000 miles away back in Doha, Qatar.
Ladies and gentlemen, the commander.
Thanks. Take your seats.
We're at the very top of the chain of command. A coalition of more than 20 countries comes together to put intelligence into action.
How's everybody doing?
Good afternoon, sir. This is actually an interesting picture. What we see here is what looks like battery packs being added to a commercial off-the-shelf quadcopter. It's not that hard to add battery capacity, and that could explain possible increase in range. There was reports of a drone with multiple munitions being carried, something we are tracking. It's been reported already. We'll see quadrotors carrying multiple forms of munitions at the same time.
Yeah, so this isn't going away.
No, sir. Given recent reporting...
There will be something that follows this and something that follows whatever that is. And so I think collectively this is going to have to be a holistic approach that sorts out where they're getting them from, how they're training people. We got to go after where they're launching them from and those kind of things. So it's going to take an enterprise effort for us all to wrap our heads around how we do that.
But we saw actually a classroom filled with young guys with
learning
drones
how
on the
to fly
table,
these things?
and they were being instructed on how to fly, how to operate.
This is on the internet?
Yes, sir.
Clearly we got some work to do. Carry on.
Drones might be the talk of the day at the base, but it's just one threat they keep a close eye on.
Gentlemen.
It's all headquartered at the Combined Air Operations Center, or KAOP.
All right, let me check one of those things. Okay, thanks.
The ultra-secure nerve center of the U.S. air presence in the Middle East. As every plane in the sky, American, Iraqi, Syrian, Russian, and civilian, is closely tracked.
So Mosul's right here. You can see all the fighters that we have there. And you also see the Iraqis flying their F-16s into there as well. CCO Lieutenant Colonel Wintel. What's going on? You see some of the blue tracks that are around here. These are civilians and they're flying around. And then all the other stuff you see is either the unmanned or manned airplanes.
Standard day?
Yeah, nothing crazy. We have a tank over by Palmyra that we're going to go blow up. So
We've been finding a couple over there.
we have, sir. We have
The beauty that air power brings to this fight is when you're moving at 400, 450 knots, you can cover a lot of space. That's a capability that ISIS doesn't have. As you see up there, we've caught them multiple times. Their enemy drones be loaded in those kind of trucks. So we'll look for them to then see if they load one up, drive it off. Could be the end of their day, right there. I hope they know. That's the intent. Yeah, I hope it scares them.
Thanks. Yes, sir.